everyone, this is me, Poonam from Cyberscam Review, and today I'll be sharing with you trading agency review information, the good and the bad. Financial markets are now more accessible than ever before. The technological improvement has enabled almost everyone on the planet to get involved with any asset they want. People have slowly realized the power of compounding and the search volume speaks for themselves. Unfortunately, most people are not aware of the mechanics of the market, which is why they are looking for proven methods and trading courses. Traders Agency is a brand which sells a lot of self-help type of products. All of their offerings are related to the markets and the price range of their items vary a lot. They have presence on every major platform and their popularity is soaring in the social media platform. Moreover, they have provided decent quality content, but nothing about them is exceptional or unique. We noticed quite a few flaws and we'll go over them one by one. There are a lot of con artists selling courses on the internet, and that's why you need to be very careful. As far as this platform is considered, to know more about it, stick with me. Joshua Martinez is the creator of Traders Agency. He does a lot of videos for his brand and he also apparently published a lot of articles in the trading space. His videos cover the basic topic about the trading and he does a good job of teaching people the generic stuff. However, the main problem is this person is the lack of details, evidence and transparency. For the starters, apart from the claims that he is active in the market for more than 10 years, there isn't much information provided about him. We are consumers and not told about his qualifications, trading records and other related metrics. Moreover, they haven't even provided a basic verifiable trading history. In the About US section, this guy claims to have turned $500 to over $39,000, which is undeniably impressive. But just like every other charlatan, there isn't any credible data to support their claims. While his teachings might be presentable, his track records aren't that clean and as such you shouldn't believe his claims blindly. After all, we cannot give benefit of the doubt to everyone, right? There are a ton of products peddled by the Traders Agency. Their goal is to offer everyone some kind of a product to get them hooked onto their platform. From a mere $19 a month subscription service to a high ticket sale program, $2,000. They have something to offer to all kinds of traders. Over the years, they have dropped certain products and have replaced them with new ones. On top of the changes, the prices of their products are also subject to change. So, for all the relevant information about the returns, policies and fees, you have to take a look at their official website. Moving on to the customer service they offer, it is very basic and they doesn't have that professional touch. You can get in touch with them through telephone or email. But in this era, it does feel a bit odd to see a platform that doesn't offer a live chat feature. As there are not a lot of customer reviews present, we don't know the kind of treatment you can expect from them. And to know phone and email and the address, you can visit our official website. This platform deserves an applause for one thing, and that is the way they have explained things in the disclaimer section. They clearly accept that all of the results shown are done through virtual accounts and they also stress on the fact that the results they have showcased are not typical or guaranteed. Though they are not as transparent as they could have been, being open with the public is certainly a nice gesture on their behalf. Moreover, they are FTC compliant, which means unlike a lot of other options, they don't employ a lot of exaggerated or pushy sales tactics. All of the trading system don't make any outright promises on the amount of profits and they mainly stress about the value of education. In other words, their course may be preferable for newbies, but experienced professionals may not be interested in them. There are few automated systems sold by them, but running it requires a degree of technical expertise. Moreover, automated systems are prone during volatile times and at the end of the day, you shouldn't employ any software unless you know all the components involved. On their homepage, this platform states that the founder of the program has managed to capture over 50,000 pips in 3 years. The numbers quoted by them are stunning to see the list, and it will certainly turn heads for obvious reasons. However, this is literally no proof to support their claim. If their strategy was really that great and adaptable to any market, then why are they hesitating to publish the statistics of their trading systems? If they were really scared of giving away their system, then at least they could have shown my FX book records, right? The fact they are trying to downplay the evidence is evident, and as such, they shouldn't be the ones you should get involved with. Testimonials tell us a lot about the reputation of a company, and it is a leading indicator used by many reviews out there. Unfortunately, a few companies will twist the information present, and by employing fake profiles will turn the ratings to their favor. The truth is something which they can't hide for long. There are dozens of testimonials featured on this platform, but all of the comments are clearly cherry-picked and none of them contains any constructive criticism, which is strange. Apart from the comments on the website, we were unable to locate the user feedback on any forums yet, but eventually they will appear. For the time being, we definitely are not inclined towards believing the feedback on the website, as there is no transparency element in them. As time alone can tell us about the authenticity, the best thing to do to be wait for more data to be gathered. Is a trade agency a scam? We cannot be conclusive about this statement yet. After going through their platform and observing every trade they display, there are few good things and bad things about their business model. They are decent in some areas and obviously exaggerating in other segments. After analyzing every fact available right now, it is not wise to buy their programs as it costs thousands of dollars. But if you really want to try them, I would start with a minimum package so that you can access their quality. If you are satisfied, then you can always buy more. For any reason, if they have blocked your order or not honored your refund request, then get in touch with us by filling the contact form on our website. We offer free consultation and show you the best legal options relevant to your specific case. Traders Agency has earned a lot of traffic and is present in most of the social media platforms. They do help people learn about the mechanism of trading, but the price tag of the product is two-step on one end and on the other. It doesn't let people test out all the things. Our best advice to you is to wait and see where they age. After all, delaying instant gratification is always a good thing. Thank you.